Mix cloves with detergent, and you'll be surprised by the result. I didn't know that just with these two ingredients, this would happen. In a pot, we will add 250 milliliters of water. Once done, we'll turn on the heat and let it boil well. Then, we'll add some cloves. There isn't an exact amount. We'll let it boil for 5 minutes. After this time, as you can notice, the water becomes more concentrated with the components of the cloves. Now, in a container, we will strain this water because the cloves might clog the sprayer. Once done, guys, we'll add 100 milliliters of home fragrance. Here, I'll use the equivalent of a capful from the bottle. Next, we'll use alcohol vinegar. We will also need 100 milliliters. Finally, we'll add the detergent. Use any fragrance you like. Add 2 tablespoons of detergent and mix everything well. This tip is very easy and wonderful for your home. Here in my house, I can't live without doing this anymore. Vinegar is antibacterial and great for eliminating bacteria and germs from our home. Now, we'll pour this mixture into a sprayer or another container that's easy to use. My friends and family were surprised by the results. Now, they all ask me how to make this recipe. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you the correct way to apply it. And here, it's ready. Let's learn how and where to use this mixture. My house no longer has insects or flies, nor the bad smell of urine, dogs, or cats. Animals are adorable, but they leave a bad smell inside our house. This keeps my house scented for 24 hours and is excellent for repelling flies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches. You can use it in various places in your house, such as the sofa, table, pillows, carpets, and much more. You can also clean your table or furniture, as it contains detergent and alcohol vinegar, which is great for removing marks and stains from your furniture. This mixture is also excellent for use when you leave your house closed for a long time. It's very economical and easy to prepare. I hope you make this scented repellent in your home. I'll see you in the next video.